Good morning, students. Today I'll discuss the next exercise of this topic, areas related to circles. And in this, we have first topic, sector of a circle. What is the sector? First of all, the figure in a circle, the region bounded by the radii and the corresponding arc. This is the arc, these are radii, let the radius r, and this is arc, AB is the arc, and theta is the angle between the radii. So the sector is, this is the region bounded by radii and corresponding arc of a circle. So we have to find the area of this sector. We have two sectors in this. One is smaller sector and that is the minor sector. And the remaining part is the major sector. If it is written in the question only the sector, then it means that the minor sector is given, not the major sector. So we know area of circle is pi r square, and this is the area for the central angle 360 degree. We know the complete angle is 360 and we have to find the area for the angle theta only. So by unitary method, we can find the portion for angle theta, that is theta upon 360 degree. The complete area is for angle 360 degree and we have to find the area for theta only. So area of sector is pi r square theta upon 360 degree. For 360 degree, we have the area pi r square. For 1 degree, we have the area pi r square upon 360. And for angle theta, the area is pi r square theta upon 360 degrees. So in this way, we can find the area for angle theta only. So this is the angle of area of minor sector only. This is area of minor. If only sector is written, that means the minor sector is given, not the major sector. If we have to find the area of major sector, then look at the figure now. This is the complete region. From this, if we subtract this sector only, minor sector, then we can get the area of major sector. So I'll subtract this area of minor sector from the area of circle. So area of major sector is area of circle minus area of minor sector. We know area of circle is pi r square and area of minor sector pi r square theta upon 360 degree. We can simplify easily taking common pi r square from this and put the values of r and theta, pi r and theta. So this is the area of minor sector. Now, if we have to find the length of this arc, this AB arc, if we have to find the length, we know the length of complete circumference or the perimeter you can say of the circle is 2 pi r, that is the circumference, and we have to find the length corresponding to this angle theta only. Then similarly for 360 degree the length of the circumference is 2 pi r, for theta angle that is 2 pi r theta upon 360 degree. So length of arc corresponding to this angle theta is 2 pi r theta upon 360 degree. We can cancel this. So the formula is pi r theta upon 180 degree. This is the formula for length of arc for the angle theta. Minor arc is this. If arc is written, then only minor arc is given. Now, the segment of a circle. What is the segment? A segment is also a part or portion of a circle which is bounded by a chord and the corresponding arc. Segment of a circle. First of all, figure of this. This is a circle, that the radius of this circle is r. AB is the chord or the center. So this is the segment. You can say minor segment of the circle. And rest of the part of the circle is major segment. If only segment is given, that means the minor segment is given only. Yes? So what is the segment? This is the region bounded by the chord and the corresponding arc. Of the circle. Directly we cannot find this area, but with the help of the sector we can find this easily. This complete is the sector OAB and this is the segment. Angle between two radii is theta. From the area of this sector, if we subtract the area of triangle OAB, then we will get easily the area of segment. So, area of minor segment. area of minor segment is pi r square theta, or we can write area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. We have area of sector pi r square theta upon 360 degree, and area of this triangle is 1 by 2 r square sine theta, right? This is the formula for the area of triangle this OAB only, where theta is the angle between the two radii and r is the radius. So from the trigonometric table we can find the value of sine theta. Area of, how we can find this area of triangle? From this triangle we can draw a perpendicular, we can find base and perpendicular, and we can use easily half base into height, the formula. So we can derive this. Area of major segment. If we subtract the area of minor segment from this complete circle, then we will get the area of this major segment, except this shaded region. इस shaded region को छोड़कर बाकी कम area major segment. तो area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle is pi r square, and area of minor segment is written pi r square theta upon 360 degree minus 1 by 2 r square sine theta. This is the area of segment, major segment. Now some questions based on these basics from exercise 12.2. First question. The first question is, find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter if angle of the sector is 60 degree. First question. Radius of circle. Which is, let R 6 centimeter. And angle of sector which is theta, that is given 60 degree. Directly we will use the formula or area of sector. Area of sector is pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Put the values of pi, r and theta. Pi is given 22.7, r6 square is given, so 2 times I will write, and this is 60 degree upon 360. 6 6 is 30, 6 is cancelled out. 132 upon 7 square centimeter is the area of sector or minor sector. Second question, find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. what is the what is the quadrant of a circle? First of all, circumference of circle is given, that is 22 centimeter, and the formula for circumference is 2 pi r. Put the value of pi, pi is 22 upon 7, and then r is 22 into 7 upon 2 into 22, 3.5. So radius is 3.5 centimeter. Now what is the quadrant? If we draw two diameters of the circle perpendicularly, if this angle is 90, then this is the quadrant. Quadrant means 1/4 part of the circle, and we know the angle of this quadrant is always 90 degree. Angle of quadrant, not in this question, but in every question, angle of quadrant theta is 90 degree. So area of quadrant that is also a sector, pi 22 upon 7, r 3.5, theta 90 upon 360 degree, 0.5, 11. On multiplying this, (19.25 upon 2). 9.625 square centimeter is the area of the quadrant. One more question I will explain, which is not given in the book, not in this exercise, but in complete chapter it is not given. If we have to find the perimeter of this quadrant, how can we find the perimeter? Perimeter of quadrant of circle. We know the perimeter of any figure is the length of boundary of the figure. These are the radii of the circle, and quadrant is the region bounded by the two radii and this arc, and this arc is 1/4. So length of this plus radius plus this radius. So that is r plus pi r theta upon 180 degree. So 2 radii plus arc. We have theta 90 degree, r is 3.5 centimeter, 22 by 7, r 3.5, theta 90, 180, 0.5. This is 7.0, 3.5 plus 3.5, and this is 5.5. 12.5 centimeter is the perimeter of this quadrant of circle. Sometimes in the paper Question asked, what is the perimeter of a protractor? Area is the half of the circle, but perimeter. A protractor is in the shape of a semicircle, we know. So, the perimeter is this half of the circumference plus this is the diameter. So, 2r plus 2 pi r upon 2 we can take. So, this is the perimeter of a protractor. Now, question number 3, the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Suppose the minute hand of a clock moves like this, and one complete round or revolution of the clock, that minute hand. Suppose this is the minute hand. In one complete round, the minute hand will complete this circle. So, this is 14 centimeter. So, the radius of the circle obviously 14 centimeter. Radius of the sector or circle R is 14 centimeter. This is a part of the circle also, so we can write circle. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Time is given 5 minutes. Suppose this is the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. This is the region, and the angle is theta. So, we have to find this area, and actually this is the shape of a sector, but angle is not given, time is given. So, with the help of the time we can find the angle. Angle made by the minute hand in complete round, one round, is 360 degree. एक पूरा राउंड करेगी तो कितना एंगल बनाएगी सेंटर पर 360, एंड द टाइम टेकन बाय द मिनट हैंड टू कंप्लीट द राउंड इज 60 मिनट्स. 60 मिनट में एक पूरा चक्कर लगाती है, तो 60 मिनट में 360 डिग्री एंगल बनाती है. सो एंगल मेड बाय द मिनट हैंड in 60 minutes is 360 degree, we know this. In 60 minutes it will complete one round, and in one round the angle is complete angle, that is 360 degree. Angle made by the minute hand in 1 minute, 360 upon 60, that is 6 degree, and we have to find the angle of 5 minutes. So, angle made by the minute hand in 5 minutes, 5 into 6 degree, that is 30 degree. So, theta is 30 degree. Now, we can find easily area swept by the minute hand. In 5 minutes, pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Pi is given 22 upon 7. R is 14, theta is 30 degree upon 360. 7 2s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. So that is 154 upon 3 square centimeter. This is the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. In next question, question number 4, a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters subtends a right angle at the center. Radius is given 10 centimeter, angle is given 90 degree. Radius R is 10 centimeter, angle is 90 degree. Angle at the center or central angle, that is theta, that is 90 degree. So what we have to find in this question, find the area of the corresponding first part, minor segment, second major sector. So area of minor segment, that is area of sector minus area of triangle, we know, minus 1 by 2 r square sine theta. This is the formula for area of minor segment. Put the values. R square is common, pi theta upon 360 minus 1 by 2 sine theta. Put the values. R is 10, pi 22 by 7, no, pi is given 3.14, theta 90 degree upon 360 minus 1 by 2 into sine 90 degree. From the trigonometric table, we know the value of sine 90 degree is 1. So 100 into 1.57 upon 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1. Take the LCM. 1.57 minus 1, that is 100 into 0.57 upon 2 on multiplying 28.5 square centimeter. This is the area of minor segment. Second part of this, area of major sector. We know area of major sector is area of circle minus area of minor sector. Pi r square common, 1 minus theta upon 360 degree. Pi is 3.14, it's given. R 10, 10 square is 100, 1 minus 90 upon 360, 1 by 4, 3.14 into 100, take the LCM, that is 4 ones are 4 minus 1, 3 upon 4, on dividing 78.5 into 3, 235.5 square centimeter. So this is the area of corresponding major sector. So that's all for this video. Thank you.